snowflakes cascading down, painting a serene picture, but don't be fooled. This is no gentle snowfall. In Benasque, a picturesque town nestled in Spain's Huesca province, winter has arrived with a fury. It's December 8th, 2024, and this morning, residents woke up to an icy spectacle. Streets buried under towering snowdrifts, some reaching an astonishing 1 meter high. This is not just a preview of winter. This is a full-blown blizzard. The heavy snowfall and relentless winds have created hazardous conditions across the region. Roads leading into and out of the town are completely closed, cutting Benasque off from the surrounding areas. Emergency services are working tirelessly, but even they are struggling against the elements. Power outages have left thousands of residents in the dark, adding to the challenges. Authorities have issued urgent advisories. Asking everyone to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary risks. For those living at an altitude of over 1,140 meters, braving the storm is not an option. It's a dangerous gamble. Travelers have faced nightmarish conditions, with strong winds whipping up blinding snow and creating nearly impossible visibility. The once peaceful mountain roads now resemble scenes from a disaster movie. This extreme weather serves as a chilling reminder of how quickly nature can shift from stunning to severe. While Benasque is no stranger to snow, locals say this early December blizzard is one for the books, a storm powerful enough to disrupt daily life and leave its mark on this picturesque Pyrenean town. Stay safe, Spain, and stay tuned as we bring you updates on this unfolding story.